After the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA announced that temperatures in Metro Manila may reach 46 degrees Celsius, some schools in Metro Manila implemented blended learning and class suspensions. PTV's Bien Manalo has the details of this story.
Owen Jan has a few tricks or tips to relieve oneself from the high heat and humidity. As a traffic enforcer in Quezon City, he feels more and more the rise in temperature on the road and under the sun.
Usually nasa kalsada, salo yung init ng panahon. Ang ginagawa ko, more on water. Then pagka hindi na kaya ng katawan, take a rest or sumilong para kahit papano yung katawan natin is ma-reduce yung init sa katawan.
Barbecue vendor Edison also drinks a lot of water to hydrate and relieve himself from the heat. Even more for him since he works all day selling on the street.
Minsan, papapalit ako doon sa ibang kasama para naibsan ko talaga yung init.
The Department of Health warns the public against illnesses related to extreme heat. This after the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA announced the temperature in Metro Manila may reach up to 46 degrees Celsius from today until tomorrow. In PAGASA's forecast, some places in Region 3, including Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Bataan, and Olongapo City have been placed in the danger heat index. Because of this, some schools in Metro Manila have announced blended learning and class suspensions. According to PAGASA, the temperature can be classified as extreme caution if the temperature reaches from 33 to 41 degrees Celsius, while the danger level is if the mercury hits 42 to 51 degrees Celsius. Such temperatures can lead to heat cramps, heat exhaustion with symptoms such as fatigue, dizziness, headache, and vomiting, and the deadly heat stroke. Heat stroke is a condition with symptoms of loss of consciousness, confusion, or seizures or convulsions that could prove lethal if not treated immediately. Some of the things you can do if one feels or observes any symptoms of heat stroke. First, move the person to a cool place and adjust the ventilation. Remove his or her outer clothing and apply a cold compress, ice pack, cold water or cold wet cloth on the skin, especially on the head, face, neck, armpit, wrist, ankle, and groin.
Payuhan ng publiko na regular na subaybayan ang mga ulat mula sa PAGASA at gumawa ng mga hakbang para makaiwas laban sa sakit na ito, kabilang ang pag-inom ng maraming tubig, pag-iwas sa iced tea, soda, kape o mga inuming may alkohol at paglimita sa oras na ginugugol sa labas sa pagitan ng 10 a.m. hanggang 4 p.m. Gumamit rin ng proteksyon sa araw tulad ng sombrero, payong at sunblock.
The DOH also advises the public to coordinate with emergency services immediately if they experience any symptoms to keep the situation from getting worse. From PTV Manila, Bien Manalo, Balitang Pambansa.